Today we're going to line up this Ruger M77. We're going to show you the process of how we do it. So we start by shooting the target at 25 yards. And then we're going to shoot a target at 60 yards. And then we'll go out to the sighting in range and make sure it's lined up at 100 yards.
Let's see when the bullets.
It's a 22-250. All right, well, let's go ahead and start this process. All right. So we're an inch low and 2 inches to the right. So at 25 yards, we got to multiply everything by 4. So we're 2 inches to the left, so we need to move to the right. Normally that would be 8 clicks, but you got to multiply that times 4, so that's 32 clicks to the right. Well, we're gonna go half of that. We'll go 16, and we'll go 8 clicks up. Okay, let's go out to the 60-yard target. Alright, so we're still 2 inches to the left, and now we're about an inch high. So we still need to come to the right. Let's shoot it one more time at 60. That appears to be in the bullseye. Let's try it. Let me look again. Yeah, that's in the bullseye. So now we move down to the 100-yard sighting in range. And something I like to do is I like to take this here, a roll of paper on some tape. It doesn't matter what tape. This just happens to be rosin paper. Unroll that behind the target. So in case we miss the actual target, we know what happened, where the bullet went to. All right, we moved out to the 100-yard range. We're gonna finish the sighting in process here. And from doing this as many times as I have, it's likely that this is when we shoot high. If I had to adjust it down, well, we're gonna find out. All right, 2 inches to the left and 2 inches high. I'll tell you what. This thing's got such a thin barrel. Let's go ahead and move it, and then we'll shoot a group. All right. Let's come to 6. Looks good to me. Two of those three were in the bullseye, or pretty close to it. Alright, so we've got the rifle lined up. And we're going to shoot the 4-inch gong down there at 100 yards. Make sure we're good. We've given the barrel time to cool. This will be like a first shot when you're hunting. We'll see. Make sure we hit that 4-inch gong at 100 yards. That's a dead groundhog. Until next time, y'all stay safe in the deer woods, and God bless.